Dry machining has long been the industry standard for graphite. It's effective, but it has many downsides. And despite a lasting need for the application, there have been no recent innovations to the process. Currently, dry machining requires specific machine setups that can't be used in conjunction with other material. It requires expensive tooling. The dust it releases requires time-consuming cleanup and exposes machinists to potential health risks. 3 industry specialists realized they had all the components necessary to address these issues. GF, Blaser, and Frese teamed up to create a unique solution, the GR3 solution.
A perfect combination of machines, coolant, filtration, and tooling that achieves outstanding performance and efficiency, plus huge cost savings. Implementing cutting oil keeps the dust in solution and out of the air. It eliminates the health risks and the need for cumbersome cleanup.
GF's latest innovation not only solves the issue of dust buildup, but also allows one single machine to be used for graphite machining as well as copper and steel.
Blaser's GTC7 excels at keeping dust in solution, thus eliminating health issues, and it is the optimal protectant to guard against tool wear.
The oil film reduces the contact between the graphite and the surface of the tool, further boosting tool life while eliminating the need for expensive coatings in many cases and thereby lowering tooling costs.
Better yet, they were able to machine a variety of materials with extreme precision, and the results were even better than they expected.
With the GR3 technology, you can machine graphite, copper or steel on the same machine with identical setup. A mold maker can now create an electrode of any material with one machine tool.
No more costly multi-machining operations, no more specialized tooling, no time-consuming multi-process setup, no more health risk.
The opportunity of machining graphite, steel and copper in the same machine allows us to define a manufacturing process of a mold with exactly the quality required. In this sample, we show various combinations of the available milling and EDM technologies. We achieved, for example, an RA of 1.6 using the superior efficiency of graphite with an EDM time of only 18 minutes, a mirror finish with a copper electrode, or a cavity completely milled in hardened steel, achieving a surface quality of RA 0.08. All this in the same manufacturing system without any manual intervention.
After considering the massive improvement in tool life, lower scrap rate, less programming due to fewer tools needed, we found that the average mold shop can expect to save at least 100,000 per machine annually.
A revolutionary new process made possible by 3 passionate business partners coming together seamlessly to form one elegant solution.
GR3.
GR3.
GR3, graphite machining at its best.